I never thought I'd sing the praises for a dish rack, but here I am, because this one by OXO is actually just perfect. My favorite trick, of course, is that it's collapsible with a removable utensil bin, and with our limited RV space, this is a key feature because it tucks away neatly into the sink cabinet. You can also swap sides for the utensil bin by unclipping the grate here, which doubles as another couple of plate slots. It has plenty of storage for plates up top and bulkier objects on the bottom rack. Hard water does accumulate here in the long run, but it's easy to clean off with a regular sponge and some dish soap or vinegar. The aluminum frame is sturdy, and the hinge is holding up well considering that I've set it up and collapsed it no less than 1,400 times over the last 2 years or so. And as if all of that wasn't compelling enough, the dish rack actually looks pretty good too, even after very heavy usage, so they pick their materials well. So there you have it, a perfect, reliable product. Well done, OXO. Until next time, thank you for watching.